Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today date January 4, so time is 2:30. So in this time is just 2:30. In this we got 200 points in Nifty, by sell side 100 points and buy side 100 points in Nifty. So total in a intraday trading we got 200 points. Let's see how it is possible. So on how my scanner is working or not. Okay, so first of all I will show you in the charting platform. So this is my best charting platform. Here I created alerts. Okay, so first I will show you the name Nifty Crash. I created this scanner. Okay, so yeah, so first I will show you Nifty scanner, Nifty Crash. Okay, so I created so many scans. So for Nifty bullish one scan, for Nifty bearish one scan. So on third one is stock bullish one scan, stock bearish one scan, and fourth one long term scan. Okay, just see. I will. Yeah, as per my setup, this is the backtested history. In the 1 week, we got two signals. Okay, in a 1 week, we got two signals. Nifty bearish side. So I will download this file. So I will show you at what level, at what time it is showing for sell Nifty. So as you are seeing, so 10:45 Nifty is giving for sell signal. So for 1 2021 10:45 Nifty and 10:30 Bank Nifty. So we will see in the chart how it is working or not. Yeah. So this is the Nifty chart. See 10:45 exactly it's showing. So previous candle high is my stop loss. So previous candle high is my stop loss. So opening price is 14,122. So 14 and low is 13,972. So almost we got 150 points in the sell side Nifty. We got 150 point in the sell side Nifty. And what is my stop loss? Here my stop loss is previous candle high. Okay, so that means 14,125 is my stop loss and 14,122 is my entry point. Okay, so just 3 points SL we got 150 points. Okay, this is my setup. And you can observe, I will show you all backtested data. In every trade my SL is hardly 10 points in a Nifty. Okay, and 30-40 points in a Bank Nifty. So this is the sell side. Okay, so let's see after that Nifty going up. Okay, from 11:15 to, so we'll see this scanner is giving signal or not. Okay, so I will show you again. So this is the scanner. Yeah, so the second one is Nifty medium bullish 4 hours. So this scan I created. Okay, so it will give you alert directly to the web version, and directly it gives the SMS, and directly it will give you the email. Okay, so as per my, so this is the backtested data of bullish scan. So let's see today at what time it is giving the signal, and what is the entry price, and what is the target. See today exactly, so 4/1 2021 11:30 it's giving the signal. Okay, let's watch. See 11:30. So 11:30 we have to enter for long as per my signal. So 14,047 is my entry point, and the stop loss is previous candle low. So here the 20, so the stop loss is 20 points, and we got more than 100 points. Okay, so 150 points in a sell side and 100 points in a buy side. So you can see and how it is accurate. Okay, so all is well. So in this today we got more than 150 plus points by buying and selling both. So if you want to backtest the data, I will show you. Yeah, as I told you earlier, if you want to backtest the data, I will show you. This is the bullish scan, so which I created. So this is the last 1 month we got only this kind of setup, this trade. So I will go for last 5 months. So last 5 months data we can check with a time. Okay, every day it will not give you alert for you, but it will give you, at least it will give you 2 days once. These so many uh, trigger we got. Yeah. So in this trade, in the last 5 months, we got 45 trades. You can take this screenshot. You can take this screenshot and backtest it. If you interested, let me know. My WhatsApp number is in the description. So I will give you the description on my WhatsApp number. So take this screenshot. So it is giving today also. It is giving the buy signal. Okay. So out of 45 trades, only 2 trades fail. So that is the cost to cost. Out of 45 trades, only 2 trades fail. I think this one, these two trades, 10 12 2020. So 10 12 2020. But again, we got 1250. This trade hits target. So in every trade in Nifty, we got more than 70 points. In every trade in a Bank Nifty, we got more than 300 points. So out of 45 trades, target hit at 43 trades. In every trade, Nifty hit above 70 points, Bank Nifty above 300 points. So if you interested my course, let me know. So please take the screenshot. So you can take 15 to 45 and you can take 1 to 30. So have a nice day.